It is. I know. I almost lost a finger. It is a gloomy Monday. It's a gloomy, rainy, yucky Monday. But it's sunny at Gallery Couture. I am opening a joyous box of from Lisa. From Lisa Todd. Hello. This is Lisa Todd. This is actually not Lisa Todd. This is, Lisa, you know I love you. Even though you're sort of wacky, but I love you because you're wacky. Okay. Some of this is for our new store in Fort Washington, which will be opening soon.
Very soon.
Very soon. How happy is this sweater? How gorgeously cotton. Yes, those of you who are cotton lovers and you love the cotton from Lisa Todd. This is so happy. Oh, happy. And we have fuchsia pants to go with it. That's that. Another happy sweater. I love neon, ding, 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 da, ding, dang, ding.
Oh, that's so cute.
Thank you. Oh, this.
I mean, you too, obviously.
It's Monday. It's actually no. This will post on Tuesday, but we are doing this on Monday. So let's say it's Tuesday.
Watch tomorrow's like 60 degrees.
This video will make no sense. Yeah, I mean, white jeans, take it away to Florida, take it on vacation, wear it with shorts. This is, I mean, I love the fact that she thinks in
Details.
terms of details like that. Look at the weave, look at the knit. This is a beautiful knit. Wow, Lisa, you know what?
You get a cookie.
You get a cookie. Knit designers really, I think, are mind-boggling because they have to know so many different stitches. A shirt, you can just stitch it and sew it and you suddenly have...
Ooh, look at the back.
Oh, so fancy. How cute.
Oh, there's bubbles.
Seriously, Lisa, how do you do this?
Oh, I love that.
What kind of machine do you use? I am forever amazed by you. Little crop sweater to be worn. It's actually not that crop. This is a large. To be worn with black pants, jeans, shorts, over a dress, maybe over a dress, perhaps over a dress. This looks boring, but nothing from Lisa Todd is ever boring. There's always some sort of a something. And
Oh,
this
it's
something,
stars.
is it stars?
It's stars.
Okay, I guess it's stars. But it's a great cotton. Feels amazing. Okay, hold on. I don't want to mess anything up because we have so much.
More than you've already made a mess.
The hell is this? Oh, I know what it is. The only reason I bought this was because of these buttons. No, so happy. It's so happy. It's a happy jacket cardigan. It's a Jackie cardigan.
Oh, are those colorful?
It's so happy.
Oh, nice.
That is the only reason I bought it. Take one of your old cardigans, just add different threads and color and you're done. But if not, we have this. This is a shape that we've done well with from Lisa Todd before. It's somewhere between a jacket and, oh my God. I mean, really? Just that. Just, no. I love it. I love it. I love it. Can I open it?
Not in that color.
Chic, classy, chic cardigan. Look at the finish, drop shoulder. I love the colors. I love it with white jeans, white shorts. This is a great. These sweaters are not fitted. They're not boxy necessarily. They just skim the body. This concludes this episode of Lisa Todd. 516-627-5333. Resort and Spring is in the store. Half of the lowest ticketed price when you buy 5 sell items is in the store. I am in the store. Lisa is in the store. Lisa is in the store. Grace in the store. And this lady is coming into the store. Bye.